Alright, hi everybody, my name is Holly Draper and I'm the creator of Shop Draped. Today I'm going to show you guys a new head wrap style that is for all the beginners out there. I learned this technique from one of my friends and it's 1 and 2. It's not anything that's really difficult to put together. It doesn't involve a lot of twisting and tying. It's 1 and 2 and you're done, okay? Ready? Here we go. So today I am using our Vibrant Thing head wrap in purple. This gorgeous royal purple head wrap. It's one of my favorites. It's so pretty and purple. So what I am going to do with this head wrap is I'm going to open it all the way up like so. And I am going to fold it long ways like this. Fold it, fold it, fold it. All the way down, and make sure that each corner meets up with the opposite. So my second step is we are going to fold it in half. Long ways one more time, like this. Just fold it in half. Okay, so the folded side, your hand will go through right here. And your long side goes right here. Ready? What you're going to do is you're going to put this side in the middle of this hole right here. And your extra hair will be out in the open, like so. And we're going to open the ends up, and we're going to tuck it in the front like this, and we're going to tuck this excess on the side, and we're going to move this around. You kind of fluff up your hair a little bit too. And there it is. There it is. Your head wrap style is complete. This is really, really great for beginners who are trying to learn how to wrap. They're trying to learn different unique styles, you know, to wear out and about. This one is for that bad hair day. And you just have to cover up those roots. But you still want to wear your hair in a style, so you kind of have your hair out in the middle. This is for if you need to go to the gym. You just need something quick, fast. Hey, I need to make a errand. I need to go to the grocery store. 1 and done. 1 and done. So you want to fluff it up a little bit. And you are ready to go to the grocery store. I hope this helps out anybody that is a beginner. I hope this is easy for the beginners. I hope you guys grasp this really fast. But yeah, thank you guys for checking out this quick head wrap tutorial video. See you guys next time.